Ridiculousness. What's up? Squad up. What's up? What's up? Oh, y'all ain't know? Yeah, we got it on live. Where you gonna go? Where you running to? Can't go nowhere. What you gonna do with 3 TC-280 prototypes? You're gonna die. You're dying tonight. Is that portal blue? Yeah, it's blue. It just doesn't look blue because we're in blue.
Sure it's blue. Celestial portal. It's a different one.
It did look kind of white. Celestial portal, huh? Damn. Okay. All right, squad. Oh, the gunner turret just died instantly.
What? Fuck that.
Oh my days.
Oh my god.
That's sick. That instantly made me want to play Star Wars Battlefront 2. I've been staring at that on my computer every now and then. I'm like, you're one game that is just like, I'm not going to delete because it's so fun. I love Star Wars Battlefront. What the fuck is this? Kill it. Oh, it hurts you. Dude, I go so fast now out of combat because of that schnick. Hellfire tincture, what is that? Do you know what the Hellfire tincture is?
Oh, if you get it, it's a if you use it, it hurts you.
Oh, that's right. That's yeah. No. That item's trash. That's a great item for equipment drones. You're right. As it just kills all your drones, though.
Not really though. It's not like
And I guess they can handle it, right? Nah. I used it once, and I was like, I don't like this. But you're right, yeah. We are much lazy. I go so far now when I hit sprint after jumping. I don't even know what's going on. For what? 300? Oh. Yeah, fast, huh?
Run up there? That's fun. Oh, you bastard.
This looks like I can run up here. Just hit jump forever infinitely. Yo, is it cold up? Ah! Teleported me back. Terrifyingly. Oh shit, things are dying. People are dying. Where are they? No, TC! Where you at, TC? No! Yeah, the TC died, one of them. But I don't know where. Oh, it's right there. I can't, it's broken. I can't pick it back up though. That's trash, bro. Freaking.
I think I zoned out, glitched out.
Oh no.
Unless you're like way on the other side of the wall right now.
Oh yeah, it shows you on the way on the other side of the wall for me too. A little bit.
Ah, fuck, man. Why does this always happen?
It said Kyle said he thinks he glitched out again. Try minimizing and come back, Kyle. It glitched me out earlier where I couldn't even move at all. What's up? What's up? What's up? Didn't even know I could do this. What's up? That's so dope. Oh, he's like, get off me. Nah. Nah. Yes, the other TC got healed a little bit. No! I'm trying to run! I heal rapidly outside of danger.
Have you upgraded one of those fully?
That?
Yeah.
What does it do?
You get a
Look at it go. Oh. That's why they get strike. Okay. They're just sitting in its face like that, bro. You're supposed to jump on it. You're right. Bring Kyle back.
Damn, it's not letting me join your game.
It says you're still here too, so that's good. Let's see.
Let me try and restart the game.
Okay, roger that. And you said I never used that what? No, I don't think so. Wait, I got an item?
They show the item. Press pause and you can show the there too. No, the other one?
One with the woods? The achievement?
I don't know how to explain it.
No, got you. That's it. That's the Steam menu. Shift tab Steam menu. Fire. Ooh. That's crazy.
Telling me you're playing the Banner Saga 2.
I am not playing the Banner Saga 2. Hold up. Alright, there we go. Should be fine now.
Yeah, Steam's being weird.
teleporter boss in like 6 seconds. Fuck.
Reach not working.
Oh yeah, now I can finally invite you to play again now.
Hey, team shortcut isn't even coming up.
Yeah, son. There you go, you're back. And you got your shit.
I put my screen.
It just showed you jump. So far, it shows your name pop back up, and at least, and your drones just pop back up too. It's kind of cool. All right, going to the next one. Let's see what it does. Okay, it shows you with the reconnect look now.
Yeah, it's like right. Yeah, am I back? I'm back.
Let's go.
And I'm almost dead.
That's crazy. Yeah, Kyle got to reconnect after all those tries. We just kept inviting him and retrying and reconnecting. And he finally back in the match, and he got his drones and shit back too. That was there.
I almost died right over.
And then he almost died instantly because it put him back where all the stuff was. Yeah, see, now we know, dude. Yeah, because that's at least 2 times now where he got to reconnect after fully closing the game twice.
Yeah, what's it called? I got back from work.
Yeah, yep. And
Wow.
there I go again.
Oh, wow.
I just lost connection
I
again.
guess it does. It just put me right back where
Yeah, I guess game state has a certain feature that saves to it.
Yeah, people are walking around in the air. God fucking damn it,
But
dude.
try turning your, see if your alias sync is on too, Kyle. Just switching up your settings a little bit. I need to do something with that.
How did I die if I wasn't in the fucking game, dude? What the fuck?
Yo, what? They killed you and you weren't even there? What the hell? I'm hosting the game, so maybe it might be better off if Kyle hosts the game, yeah. right? So are you in the game or no?
I think so. I'm just dead.
Okay, okay, I'll click the portal. I'll click the portal. Sweet. Where the fuck is that one portal spot? It's like a big, flat, not looking portal. But yeah, the strike drones don't stack. Oh, they only stack if you have two different equipment. Where is? Oh, there it is. There it is. That's it, right? Hey. Wait, what? Oh, well, I'm underestimating this. Kill the Oculus Rift. Let's go. We got to recruit a pair of Solus probes. Where are they? Hey, they're over there. Doing work. You ever got that item? Recruit the probes? Quiet probe and delighted probe. Crazy. I think I got it from killing the probes. Yeah, it was like a hero item at the end. Like how the beetle guard is. Almost there, Cal. Then we can get that achievement. Said it says you're playing Banner Saga. Well, I'm not. It's on in the background. All right, this should bring you back. Let's do it. Can you move your guy?
What are we doing?
It's the last part. Should be anyway. What do you do in this part, Rashid? You just survive or whatever?
So, there's gonna be like these flying things and these like rolling things on the floor that come at you guys. Pretty hard. That's at least it kind of seems to me.
They're coming out of here?
Yeah.
Are we supposed to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can be after that. You go. If you hit these pillars, you gotta pretty much like how you like stay in that little area. They go to the pillars and
Okay. So we,
And then you go back to that center. This thing.
what the fuck is
Oh my
this?
God.
Shit.
That's crazy.
So you go back to this shit. I'll turn the balls like 4 times.
Damn.
And yeah, then you have to go back there,
What?
and it's another circle, and you have to wait, and then this thing's gonna kill
What the
you.
fuck is this?
I don't know. Oh yeah, those are one of the ones.
But you can't fight them, right? Oh.
You find something.
Well, I'm supposed to just go over here, right?
That's just a pillar, those blue bees.
Kyle, are you dying? You good?
You know.
Flying ones are.
I was just wondering what the fuck that. By yourself? New? Well, they're actually really strong. No, because that just hit me only twice right there, and it almost, that was half health. And I have like, good night. Yeah, I was just seeing if there would be anything else here. Probably not though. It's only rusted keys. What about Easter eggs? Can you use any of the pillars at any time?
Oh, at any time, too, I think.
Well, I'm doing one right now. Wait, so we have to stay in the circle? We're gonna die? Oh shit! Oh, just charge it up. Okay.
What are you talking about?
There's like beams in the sky, kind of like the snow map or whatever. Looks like we gotta activate those and stay in them like the portal though. Charge them up.
Oh. I found one.
Yeah, if it lets you activate it over there, then that'd be sick. Cause I'm activating this one too. Oh, yeah, I was like, what is happening?
Supposed to be doing this together though?
I just did one. I knocked it out. It's already done.
Okay.
And they take health kind of, but they go away fast.
Okay.
Are they right there? Yeah, those two right there. They go away super fast.
Oh my God. Get out of there.
Shit.
Damn it, I died.
My Kyle just got taken
Yeah,
out.
I don't know why that was so hard.
Or she said it was pretty hard too. It is pretty difficult. Rashid said he almost insta-died when he started. Oh, go probes. Damn, he said every drone died instantly. Alright, so we gotta go to that one over there.
Oh, there's you know how there's like like you go into that blue thing and there's like that shop.
Yeah,
It's on here too. There's a shop. It's on here too. Like the reforged thing.
okay.
Yeah, it's over here.
Alright. I died?
Oh my God, what?
Oh, because was it rolling blowing up things or some shit? What was that?
Damn,
I don't know, but I think I died by something.
that's crazy.
Killed by the planet. Yeah, something rolled at me and hit me. Yeah. In the tunnel there. That was nuts. Damn it, we almost beat the game.
I know.
That was the last pillar. That's crazy. Well, I mean, we got a bunch of other achievements though. Look at all that shit, dude. Jesus, those numbers are stupid.
That's crazy.
That
Look
was
at
a-
your minion damage still. That's crazy.
Minions going in, dude. Minions for the
Almost
fucking
10
win.
million.
That's insane. RTS all day. Turn Risk of Rain 2 into an RTS game. Let's go.